Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen. Adeshia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making Kelewele. Kelewele is one of Ghana's most popular snacks, eaten with inkatie or peanuts.
Sana mekosonom Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na ehsias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye ensem onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo noa e page ni so meka say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onya ho are ye eja esujani unyo obi be no aduane ama obetimi akọ YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano.
So I have here my onions, ginger, my salt. Yes, so let's start. You add your salt to your plantain. You cut the plantain according to the size and the style or the shape that you want. Bite size is preferable. So I added my dry chili pepper. If you want it more spicy, you add more pepper. So here I have my spices. That's grains of saline, fennel seeds, anise seeds, calabash nutmeg, and cloves. Yeah, so now I'm adding my blended spices. Smells so good, it's fresh. Oyu ham ankasa ejoma dienche. Hey, you know the can't cry. Now I am adding my ginger and blend pepper. Sorry, ginger and blend onions. Yes. Now you're going to do what? Massage. Mix all together. Make sure you really massage your plantain. Let the spices go inside every corner. Every bite gets some spices. Cook with happiness. And cook from your heart. That makes the food more delicious. But when was the way I made massage plantains now? So now I'm going to leave it out. Cover it with cling film and leave it out for a while. Okay, let's fry. Look at the kelewele. Yay, just I don't even know what to say.
Watching and they keep supporting us, okay? And we need you all to share and subscribe, okay? We need your support.
Amen. Thank you, Nana. Yes, Hannah.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, yes. Look at how beautiful and delicious this kelewele is looking. Well, I'm telling you, it was so good, tasty, and the aroma in that kitchen was powerful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting Ahombrasia Kitchen. Comment, share, and like the video. Subscribe, please. Don't forget subscribe. New, old subscribers. Thank you.